Well, I was actually working in sales before this, and then I went through the recruitment process for public institutions here in Italy, and I was, lucky enough that there was a position available at the time to promote the University of Padua in the Americas, which is what I mostly do. The most misunderstood thing about it is exactly when people try and treat international student recruitment as if it were sales, normal sales, or especially, software as a service sales. What I say that we would do is always try to tag a student. That as being one of the most useful tools at our disposal in the DreamApply toolbox are the flags and the trackers. So that we always know where students come from, what they do within our website, within DreamApply, with all of our other communications and marketing efforts. And then we can use that to react when we see that something is going on. Reach out to your students. Don't just wait for the students to come to you. Always try to reach out at different stages. Don't forget about the students when they submit an application. The processes can be very complex, very difficult for students. So always reach out your hand to help your students, and don't just stop at an automated message. Don't just stop at a bulk action. Make your students feel like you are there.